Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to find the solution about LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of LinkedIn app and you click here in this page. After that, in this list of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.